copy a link, come over to this website and paste the link, and then collect your earnings. As easy as that. Today, I will show you how you can make thousands of dollars in completely passive income for free and with no skills or experience required. If you're interested, stay tuned. Now, just before we start, let me remind you that if you like this type of content and you'd like to see more, then support my channel by giving this video a thumbs up below. And so you don't miss out on any future videos to come, then click on that red subscribe button and turn on the notifications, and you'll get notified whenever I upload a new video. With all of that said, let's now jump straight into the tutorial so I can show you everything. Okay guys, so today I will show you a way to make money online in completely passive income, and it involves this site here, among many others I will show you today as well, called iuu.io. What this website is and what it's about you can see right off the bat when you come on their homepage. You will earn money whenever someone visits one of your URLs. This site is basically a URL shortener like bit.ly.com. The major difference is that when someone visits the URL you shortened, they will first see a bunch of ads and then proceed to the destination site. And the ad revenue is then split between the person who shortened the link, which will be you, and of course the website itself. Now, I will show you on the next platform precisely what links you will want to shorten. But before we get to that, you will need to create an account on this website first. So you will want to click on the Sign Up Free button right here. On the next page, you will have to create a unique username, enter in your email address, create your password, re-enter that same password, tick this box to agree to this website's terms, and then on the Register button just below to create your brand new account. When you log in, this is what your dashboard will look like. On here, you can track all of the info about your shortened links. You can see how many links you have gotten, how much money you've earned with your shortened URLs, how much money you have earned referring people, and your average CPM. Once you earn a bit of money, you can withdraw it by clicking on the Withdraw button right over here. To shorten the actual link, you just have to click on New Shortened Link over here, and you then have to paste the original link in this box and then click on Shorten down below. Since we don't have any links to shorten, obviously, let's now proceed to the next platform we will be using today, one from which we will actually grab the original links. And that platform is actually YouTube, and as I said, we will be grabbing the original links from YouTube. So let's make it clear that you will not be uploading anything onto YouTube whatsoever. We will be grabbing links from YouTube videos instead. What you will want to search for in particular is something like how to become more confident, how to grow confidence, something along those lines. The reason we want these types of videos in particular is simple. They are extremely popular. All of these got millions of views at most and hundreds of thousands of views at least, and their popularity is going to come in very handy. In any case, you will now want to pick any of these videos here, and you'll want to choose at least 3 videos or so. To grab the link of any video, you'll have to open it up, then click on the share button right here, and you will then be able to see and copy the link of the video. Once you grab the link from your video of choice, guys, you will want to come back over to this platform here, paste it, and click on Shorten, which will now generate the shortened URL for the video that will also allow you to make money whenever someone clicks on it. With that done, once you have shortened a few links to a few YouTube videos, you will head over to this site here called linktr.ee or Linktree. Now, what this website is, you can see right here. Connect audiences to all of your content with just one link. So what this basically allows you to do is create a landing page, so to speak, where you will be able to add multiple links. And you will basically be able to share multiple links with just your one Linktree link. You can see why this can be so helpful. If you want to share 5 to 10 links with people, it's much easier for you to do so through this site here, rather than having to share them all individually. Anyways, what you need to do when you come on this platform is click on Get Started for Free right here. On the next page, just enter in all of this info so that you can create your account, your email, username, and password. You will then have to tick this box and finally click on Sign Up with Email right here. Once you log into your brand new account and verify your email address, this is how everything will look. And this is where you will be able to add links to your landing page so that people can see them. I, as you can see, have already done so as to not prolong this video. Now what you will guys do is basically add the multiple shortened links from all the videos you have picked. And to add the link, you will need to click on Add New Link here. You will then paste the shortened URL right here and then add the title, which should be either the same or similar as the title of the actual video. And you will repeat this process until you have 3 or so links. And now what you will just need to do is share your Linktree link with people, which is located right here, by the way. And whenever some of them come onto your landing page, this is what they will be able to see. They will then be able to click on any one of these links and they will actually gain value from those videos because they will help them boost their confidence. In turn, of course, you will get paid. Now, once you guys add a few of those links on Linktree here, you will not go on Facebook or wherever to share your Linktree link directly. We will instead be using one more platform in order to get paid. And that platform is Google Docs. It may come as a surprise, but you will see soon enough why this site will be so helpful for us. So stay tuned. Now, what you guys have had to do on Google Docs is write a guide on self-confidence and then add the Linktree link of yours in there. But since I've already written this guide for you, you won't have to. I will leave the link of this guide in the description box below so that you won't have to bother typing up any of this. In any case, whenever someone opens up this guide, not only will they be able to see and click on your Linktree link, click and open some of the videos, and thus make you money, but you will actually be helping those people gain more confidence. So it's literally a win-win situation for everyone. Anyways, the last thing you want to do before we proceed to the site we will be using to get traffic to our guide is save this to your PC. To do that, just click on File here, hover your mouse over Download, and then click on DocX to download it in the DocX format. Once you do so, you will want to head over to a place where you can share that guide of yours and get thousands of people to see it. And that place is a website called slideshare.net. This is arguably one of the best traffic sources if you want to share stuff like guides or articles, mainly because, as you can see, it gets 100 million visits per month, and you only need thousands of people to check out your Linktree landing page and click on any one of those links for you to make a lot of money in completely passive income. To upload the guide on here, though, you'll first have to click on the Sign Up button here so that you can create your account. Once you create and log into your new account, you will then need to click on the Upload button here, and you will then open up that guide of yours from your PC. When you do so, you will just have to enter in the title of the guide, which should be something like How to Become More Confident. You will then add the description, choose the category, add in a few tags, complete this CAPTCHA, and finally click on the Publish button to publish your guide on SlideShare here. And when you do so, thousands of people will be able to see it because, as you've seen previously, this is a hugely popular website. And arguably, the best part about this strategy, guys, is that you won't have to do anything from here. Once you leave your guide on the site, your work is basically done, and you will be making money literally months afterwards. And with that said, this is it for today's video, guys. As always, if you liked it and you're enjoying my content, then be sure to give this video a thumbs up below to support my channel. And in case you don't want to miss out on any future videos just like this one, then click on that red subscribe button and turn on the notifications, and you'll be notified whenever a new video pops up. As always, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you soon.